Hello, my name is Ricardo Henriques and I'm leading a business enablement and transformation team where we are working in several areas around business transformation, but one specific is regarding our RPA initiative. So I'd like to share with you one practice that we are doing from the beginning. That is measure and calculate every year which is our regeneration considering our portfolio. So if you measure every year how many live automations you are decommissioning in your portfolio, that is a very powerful metric, because you are also confirming that your system landscape is evolving, and also the process improvement initiatives are taking place and being impactful. So think a little bit about this. We should have a grow experience regarding new automations, but also think about why not decommissioning some of them. And one important question is to, from the very beginning when we have a new opportunity to automate, is to ask how many time that live automation will live. Thank you.